So, are you thinking about moving to San Antonio, Texas? Thinking about purchasing? Well, in this video, I am going to go over 7 red flags you need to look out for when getting that home inspected. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living in San Antonio, Texas, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you could be the first to know about the current market here in San Antonio. Hi, my name is Christina Carr with the Carr Group at eXp Realty. I get calls and emails from people just like you looking for help on making their move to San Antonio, and I absolutely adore it. Whether you're moving in 9 days, 30 days, 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. All the information is in the description below, so I can help you make an effortless transition to San Antonio, Texas. When conducting a home inspection, there are several red flags that could indicate potential issues or areas of concern. Here are 7 red flags you need to look out for during a home inspection. Coming in at number 1, structural problem. Cracks in the foundations, walls, or ceilings can indicate structural issues. Pay attention to sagging floors, uneven surfaces, or doors and windows that don't close properly. You can always get specialized inspections that focus on the roof and foundation and plumbing if you need to dive deeper in some of those issues. And here we go, coming in at number 2, water damage. Water damage is a significant concern during a home inspection because it can lead to structural issues, mold growth, and costly repairs. Here are some key aspects to consider when accessing water damage during a home inspection. You have stains and discoloration. Look for those visible water stains on ceilings, walls, or floors. These stains may appear as dark patches or discoloration. Mold and mildew. Water damage often leads to mold and mildew growth. Look for signs of mold such as black or green patches on walls, ceilings, or in hidden spaces like closets or behind furniture. Musty odors can also indicate the presence of mold. Peeling or bubbling paint. Moisture can cause paint to peel, bubble, or blister. Inspect those walls and ceilings for any type of irregularities in the paint or signs of a recent repainting that may be an attempt to conceal water damage. Then you have warped or discolored flooring. Water damage can cause hardwood floors to warp, laminate flooring to buckle, or carpets to feel damp or discolored. Examine the flooring in bathrooms, kitchens, and basements, near entryways for any type of signs of damage. Damage also can be in the stained drywall. Water-soaked drywall can become soft, sag, or develop visible stains. Gently press on the walls to check for any type of soft spots or bulges. Additionally, tap the walls to listen for hollow sounds, as it may indicate water damage behind the drywall. And then you also have leaking pipes or fixtures. Check up under the sinks, around toilets, near water heaters for signs of leakage, such as water stains, moisture, or corrosion. Look for evidence of previous repairs or plumbing issues that can indicate ongoing or past water damage. And then you have the exterior water management. So evaluate the grading around the house to ensure proper drainage. Look for signs of water pooling near the foundation, which could lead to basement flooding. Not here in the south because we don't have many basements, but up north you have basements. Inspect gutters and downspouts to ensure they are intact and directing water away from the foundation. If water damage is detected during a home inspection, it's important to assess the extent of the damage and determine the underlying cause. Depending on the severity, it may be necessary to consult with a water damage restoration specialist or a professional contractor for further evaluation and repairs. Water damage was a lot to talk about. Coming in at number 3 is electrical issues. Faulty wiring can pose serious safety hazards. Look for exposed wires, improperly installed electrical outlets or switches, outdated electrical panels, or flickering lights. Be aware of any signs of electrical overheating, such as a burning smell. It's important to note that a home inspector's assessment of electrical issues may be limited to visual inspection only. If any red flags or concerns are identified, it's recommended to consult with a licensed electrician for a more detailed evaluation and necessary repairs or upgrades. Electrical issues can be complex and potentially hazardous. If significant electrical problems are discovered during a home inspection, it's crucial to address them promptly to ensure safety of the occupants and the property. Coming in at number 4, we have plumbing. Leaks, water pressure issues, or rusty pipes can be signs of plumbing problems. Look for water stains under sinks, around toilets or ceilings. This is going back to those water damage issues. Test faucets, showers, and toilets for proper functionality. Leaking pipes or fixtures. Check under sinks, around toilets. Look for evidence of previous repairs or plumbing issues that could indicate ongoing or past water damage. Coming in at number 5, roofing concerns. Inspect the roof for missing, cracked, or curling shingles. Look for signs of water damage in the attic, such as stains or mold. Check the condition of the gutters and downspouts as well. Missing or damaged shingles leave the roof vulnerable to water infiltration and can indicate a need for repairs or replacement. Roof structure, while the inspection is limited to a visual assessment, look for any visible signs of sagging, unevenness, or bowing in the roof structure. These issues, again, may indicate underlying structural problems that require evaluation by a professional engineer or contractor. It's important to note that a home inspector may not be able to access certain areas of the roof, such as steep or high sections. In such cases, consider hiring a professional roofer for a more comprehensive evaluation. And number 6, you have your HVAC system. Inefficient heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC systems can be costly to repair or replace. Ensure the HVAC system is functioning properly and ask about its age and maintenance history. Maintenance and service records. Inquire about the maintenance history of the HVAC system. It's very important. Regular maintenance, such as annual inspections and cleaning, can extend the lifespan of the equipment and improve its efficiency. Review service records for any significant repairs or recurring issues. Last but not least, number 7. Pest infestation. Look for signs of pests such as droppings, chewed wires, or damaged wood. Check for termite damage, which can weaken the structure of the house. Pay attention to any unusual sounds or smells that indicate an infestation. And bird feathers. Remember, a home inspection is conducted by a professional inspector who is trained to identify red flags. It's important to rely on their expertise and guidance when evaluating a property. I hope you found some of these helpful, and now you have more knowledge when you are getting that inspection done. Make sure you speak with your home inspector if you have any questions about that report. If you are getting ready to relocate, again, I am here to assist you in any way possible, so reach out. But before you go, you know what I'm about to say. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button.